Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking storage now. Open Google Photos, tap your profile, and read the used GB figure so you know the target. Once done, make sure your Google account and payment method are ready if you plan to buy more space. You also need to choose free up space, upgrade to Google One, or convert items to high quality. Each option has trade-offs for quality and cost, so act on the option that matches how many gigabytes you need. Now you implement the chosen method. If freeing space, tap Settings, Free Up Space, and Confirm Deletion. This removes local device copies already backed up. If compressing, go to Settings, Backup and Sync, and choose Storage Saver to reduce file sizes while keeping reasonable quality. If upgrading, open Google One, compare plans, pick monthly or yearly, and complete payment. Make sure family sharing is toggled if you want shared storage. Each step affects access speed and image fidelity, so pick carefully. Finish by verifying results. Return to the storage dashboard and confirm the available gigabytes reflect your action. If you upgraded but the quota isn't updated, force sync by toggling backup and sync, clearing app cache, or signing out and back in. These steps refresh account state. If payment failed or items didn't compress properly, retry the purchase method or contact Google support. One key troubleshooting tip: when sync stalls, clear cache and reboot the device before escalating.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.